Back in October of 2024, we released a video called K's Speedster and the Big Bad Word. In that video, we detailed some aerodynamic issues that were blanketing the Speedster's tail surfaces. If you'll recall, those issues propagated from further forward, originating at the wing root. Since then, we've installed new wing roots, larger horizontal stabilizers, and a root gap seal for the horizontals. The results were as expected, giving us more downforce on the horizontal stabilizer and greatly cleaning up the drag we were seeing on the fuselage. However, you'll notice here that the stabilizer trim still maxed out at full up, which is leading edge down. This has since been remedied by increasing the angle of attack on the wing by an additional 2 degrees. Increasing the wing's angle of attack gave us the stabilizer trim range we were hoping for, but it also improved visibility in flight, which was good to begin with. During our testing, we also overloaded our baggage compartment by an undisclosed amount to do some aft CG testing. In general, the airplane is balanced with light ailerons and strong horizontals. Stalls are predictable and straight ahead, with the airspeed showing 39 knots dirty and 52 knots clean. Cruise speed in open cockpit test mule configuration and forward CG is a comfortable 113 knots. For you vintage people like myself, that's a brisk 133 miles an hour. Cruise comes up a bit at aft CG. Maximum structural cruise is 150 knots. Climbs are best at 65 knots and approach is 60 knots. All of this data is subject to change, of course, as we advance the design and try new things such as a light combing with a more streamlined cowl. For now, just listen to that pure, unadulterated hot rod brought to you by Timber Tiger Aircraft.